Hello guys, it's me again, Robina Senya. I'm officially back on YouTube. It's been a while since I've been gone. A lot has happened. I went because of some circumstances that I couldn't control, but right now I'm settled and thankfully I'm back again. How have you all been doing? I hope you're fine. If you're not my subscriber, please just hit that red button down below, like this video, and also share as much as possible. I'll be vlogging, as you know, lifestyle, cooking videos, and I love adventuring. I'll be showing you around where I am right now at the moment. Oh, I did mention where I am. I'm in a place called Tabora region in Tanzania. So I would love to show you around Tabora, just show you the mother nature, how people here live. Tabora has a tribe known as Wanyamwezi and the Wasukuma. Very, very friendly people and lovable people. You're most welcome to Tabora in Tanzania. So guys, as I've told you, I'd love to get back to vlogging. Hope you do support me through subscribing and liking my videos. And yeah guys, but for today, maybe let me just give you a short lesson about our digestive systems so that you can be more careful, something that is informative, educative, because I'm just here. So for today, let's talk about our digestive system. So what do I mean by saying digestive system? Digestive system is one of the most important systems in our bodies. You know, it is responsible of all the vital areas we need to keep us alive. I hope you understand that. And how it works, it is responsible of breaking down all the food that we eat into ingredients that we use for energy, for growth, and for also repairing body tissues. Yeah, so that's the digestive system. That's the best way I can describe the digestive system. Very, very vital system in our body. So it's very, very important to consider maintaining its performance. First, imagine the digestive system as a long tube that passes through our body. As we put in the food into one end of the tube, it moves all the way through as it's been broken into usable components that the body takes in and uses, while all the waste materials that are not usable anymore are being eliminated from our body. This condition works well when what we eat is perfectly fine or is nutritious. Let me put it like that. This condition works properly when the food we take in is nutritious. So what do I mean by nutritious foods? These are the foods that provide all the needed nutrients into our body. I'm talking about the proteins, fibers, carbohydrates, vitamins, and so many others. So when you manage properly whatever you eat or have a balanced diet, then your digestive system it is at a very high chance of working perfectly. What I can say, majority of us nowadays do not eat a balanced diet. majority of people mix up. You find people eating lots of sugars, lots of fats, and then less fiber foods, something that affects the digestive system. It burdens it actually. It becomes a problem inside there because there are no enzymes produced to digest such kinds of foods that are being taken in very large amounts. Lots of fats, lots of sugars, so you find that the digestive system is very burdened. Now this ends up building a lot of conditions in the body, especially in the stomach. You end up having conditions like stomach or peptic ulcers. Nutritious foods that you were supposed to eat were avoided. So guys, all in all, I'm trying to say that let's try to manage our bodies properly. The same way we manage our houses, our cars, our environment, we keep them in a better condition. Let's not forget about our bodies. Eat well, eat a balanced diet, eat foods that are nutritious, provide the right full components into your body, foods that are digestible inside there and not causing health issues. Yeah guys, so foods like foods that contain a lot of fiber, I could say legumes like beans, lettuce, soya beans, blah blah blah. Legumes, in short, legumes, they got a lot of fibers, so it's a very advisable kind of food to consume. We have vegetables has fibers, we have fruits, we have fruits, we have whole grains like rice, maize, all that. It's a very, very advisable kind of food to eat naturally. Avoid processed foods, can say that, because they add in a lot of additives, a lot of chemicals, preservatives, a lot of just whatever you don't even know. So if you can try your best to eat natural foods directly from the garden, that could be very, very perfect and very beneficial to your body. So all in all, eat well, keep yourself healthy, avoid some conditions that could be manageable through maintaining your own body. Yeah, so guys, you don't have to be every time visiting the hospitals, visiting the health centers because of this, because of that, and yet you are capable of controlling your own health right from the beginning. But because you lacked that knowledge, you didn't understand, you lacked that idea, you didn't know about it, you couldn't do anything. But for now guys, try your best. Let's keep our digestive systems working properly through eating foods that are righteous, balanced diet, foods that have a lot of fibers. Let's take in a lot of water, at least 8 glasses a day. That's very beneficial as well. Consider exercising, right? That's good as well. So guys, I think that's all for today. And yeah, if you'd like to know about stomach ulcers or peptic ulcers, it's just swellings in the lining of your stomach,
inflammations
in the lining of your stomach, some swelling in there, which could cause symptoms like diarrhea, bloody diarrhea actually. You could have heartburns, you could have weight loss, you could have abdominal pain. All that can be caused through having these stomach ulcers, peptic ulcers. So guys, before getting affected with such serious conditions like that, you are capable of managing yourself. Avoid soft drinks. Instead of those soft drinks with lots of sugars in it, make yourself some natural juice with avocado, bananas, and all those fruits. That's amazing. That's very nutritious. What do you think? Make yourself some juice. Don't be so used to soft drinks. It's dangerous. Avoid alcoholic drinks. I know this will be lots of people love alcohol, but as we all know, alcohol is dangerous. Alcohol affects our bodies in so many different ways. So many different ways. So through this video, I think I've at least touched someone. I think I've at least educated someone or informed someone who didn't know anything about our digestive system, how it works. Anyways, for today, let me end from here. And as well, another way of acquiring these stomach ulcers could be overuse of painkillers, aspirins, and so many other pain relievers. That could also be a factor of you acquiring stomach ulcers. So it's better to talk or to visit your health practitioner for more advice before using painkillers, because they are very big factors to you acquiring stomach ulcers. Avoid them. Stomach ulcers can also be acquired through a bacteria, some kind of a bacteria. All these conditions. So we have talked about painkillers, we have talked about poor diet, we have talked about a bacteria, some type of a bacteria that could cause you stomach ulcers, that could cause you peptic ulcers. Thank you guys. Next time I'll be back here with a vlog. Maybe walking around somewhere, showing you around, if that's what you want. I don't know, but I just hope that this video has been helpful to someone somewhere. Bye bye. I'm glad to be back here, and hopefully this time I'm not going anywhere. Guys, subscribe and like the video.